Hey, Panda Gang! Welcome back to another wild adventure!
Hope you're hungry, because today's story is delicious. Panda, let us open our own restaurant. Burgers, fries, pizzas.
That's a great idea, buddy. Let's make it happen.
Careful with the paint. Oops. I think I painted myself too. Wow! Smells delicious.
Welcome to Panda and Monster Foods.
We need more hands. Or more paws.
Hard work pays off, my friend.
Yeah!
We're Jungle Food Kings now.
Can you believe we made it?
From the jungle kitchen to a mountain palace.
We did it together.
And we'll never forget where we came from.
No one in this jungle should sleep hungry. Let's feed everyone.
Eat all you want, it's on us.
Welcome to Panda a Monster Day.
Work hard, share happiness, and never stop dreaming. That's it for today's adventure, Panda Gang.
Don't forget your ice cream and your smile.
Hit that subscribe button and join the gang.